Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to protect it from anybody hacking into it or stealing your passphrase and hacking into your wallet and stealing your Pi tokens from your wallet. Yes, even as the Pi community is celebrating Kraken listing Pi, and which is evident in the Pi price going up now, you have to be very careful and secure your Pi wallet this period that the value of Pi is coming up, so that nobody can hack into your Pi wallet and steal your hard-earned or mined Pi from your wallet without your consent. That is why I will be showing you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet to protect it from any unauthorized person logging into your wallet and stealing from it. Good. What 2FA does is it adds an extra layer of security to your Pi wallet to protect it from anybody that is not you logging into your Pi wallet and taking anything from you. Good. And before I proceed, I will say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post interesting videos as this. Good. Now, without wasting much time, let me dive into showing you how you can activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet, so that whenever any stranger wants to log into your Pi wallet, the person will be required to send an authentication code that will be sent to an email you use while activating the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet. And if that person can't get it, the person cannot log into your wallet. Good. Now let's proceed to how to do this. The first thing you do is you locate your Pi browser. You open it. And please, what I'll be showing you now, please only do it inside your Pi browser. Don't do it any other place so you don't make mistakes or expose yourself. And also allow the Pi browser load fully before you proceed. Good. Once it has loaded like this, the next thing you do is you click on this button here, home, to reveal the address bar. And once the address bar has been reviewed like this, all you need to do is you clean up all this thing on the URL here, and then you type in pinet-authentication.web.app. Good. The URL is pinet-authentication.web.app. You can see it's being displayed on the screen, and I will also put it on the description of this video. So when you are ready to do this, go to the description and copy it, and it will also be pinned on the comment section. Good. And once you've entered it like this, all you do next is you click on enter to proceed to the page. Just allow it load. Beautiful. And once it's loaded like this, all you need to do is you go down to this button here that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Well, when you want to do yours, you can take your time and read every other thing on the site to understand how this thing is done and how it protects your Pi wallet. But for now, I'm just focused on showing you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet. So I'll go ahead and click on activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Good. Now this is the wallet authentication page where you authenticate the particular wallet you want to activate the 2FA feature on. That is the wallet you will authenticate here. And how will you do this? You will just impute the passphrase of that wallet you want to activate this feature on inside this box. Yes, I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is to click on the box and then press on it and paste in my phrase. And once I've pasted in my phrase, the next thing I'll do is to click on authenticate with passphrase to proceed. Beautiful. This is the email verification page where you will link an email address to this your Pi wallet, so that when anybody wants to log into your Pi browser or Pi wallet without your consent, the person will be required to provide an authentication code that will be sent to this email you put here. Good. If the person fails to supply that code, he or she will not be able to log into your wallet. And if the person can't log in, he can't do anything there. Could it be the bot or whatever it is? So I'll just go ahead and impute my own, type in the email address I want to link in here. I'll type it here. Okay. Yes, there is another space here where you confirm email address. So you confirm the email address you provided above. So just go ahead and type it again here. Beautiful. And once you've inputted the email address you want to link to your Pi wallet, all you need to do again is to click on this button that says send verification code. Click on it to proceed. Just allow it to do whatever it needs to do. Beautiful. Verification code sent to your email. Good. The verification code has been sent to this email I provided now. All I will do is to go to my email address and get the code and input it here to complete this process. So follow me to my email address. Let me get the code. This is my email here, Gmail. Click on it. Fantastic. I got the email. You can see it here. Pi Network Support 2FA verification code. I've received the email. All I need to do is to click on it to open the email. And beautiful. This is the verification code. I will just either memorize it or copy it and go paste into the page to proceed. I'll just memorize it. 988681. 988681. Okay, I'll put it here. 988681. Good. And once I've inputted the code, all I need to do is to click on verify and activate 2FA to proceed. And then you give it time, let it do what it needs to do. Wonderful. I have done it. Beautiful. As you can see, I have activated two-factor authentication on my Pi wallet. My wallet is now fully protected. As you can see, the success message here, 2FA successfully activated. Your Pi wallet is now protected with email-based two-factor authentication. This activation has been confirmed and logged to your browser console. From now on, you will need to verify your identity through your linked 2FA email when accessing your wallet on a different Pi browser aside this one. That is it. This is how this is done. Now, even if someone steals my passphrase now and tries to log inside my wallet, the person will not be able to log in because he will be sent an authentication code to my email and he doesn't have access to my email. The bot doesn't have access to my email, so they will not be able to provide this 2FA code. They will not be able to provide it. And if they can't provide it, they can't log inside my wallet. And that means if they can't log inside my wallet, they can't steal from me. That is how this thing guarantees the security of your wallet. And that brings us to the end of the video. I will say thank you for watching. And if you find this video interesting, please share it to other pioneers, create awareness. Even as they are celebrating Kraken listing, let them know that the security of their wallet is paramount. They should immediately activate this 2FA feature on their Pi wallet to protect it from anybody stealing from it. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel because I'll keep bringing good videos as this as the day go. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for your time. See you on the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.